Fast, protein-packed, and loaded with herbs. Let's make egg bites. These little gems are perfect for a quick breakfast or snack any day of the week. To start, I'm chopping up fresh parsley, dill, and chives. The vibrant colors and aromatic scents fill my kitchen, making everything feel so fresh. These herbs will really elevate the flavor of our egg bites. Trust me. Now it's time to mix things up. In a bowl, I crack 6 eggs and add a half cup of crumbled feta cheese. That tangy flavor paired with the herbs is irresistible. I whisk everything together until it's all well combined. This is where the magic begins. Now I grab a muffin tin and pour the mixture in, filling each cup evenly. With everything prepped, I pop them in the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, filling my home with the most amazing aroma. Once baked, these egg bites are fluffy and golden. I plate them up, showcasing their deliciousness, perfect for meal prep or a tasty snack. Don't forget to save this recipe and subscribe for more no-fluff lunch ideas. Let's keep making cooking simple and fun.